Okay. Children, good morning, all of you. Sit straight.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Everybody,
Morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning. Everybody switch on the video, children. Those whose videos are off are absent. Okay. I won't put attendance for those who are switching off, whoever is switching off their videos. Yes.
Am I joined late? So,
Okay. Just started. We have just started. Okay.
Ma'am, when
So can I ask you some questions based on what we learned previous class, children?
Yes,
Fidel.
ma'am.
Okay, we'll start with Fidel then. Fidel, when two lines are cut by a transversal, how many angles are formed?
2 angles.
When two lines are cut by a transversal, how many angles are formed? When two lines are cut by a transversal, let these two lines be cut by a transversal. L1 and L2 are the lines and they are cut by a transversal. Like this, L3 be the transversal. How many angles are formed here? Yes, Aldos?
8 angles. 8
Eight angles, isn't it? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So
Yes.
these angles are formed. Okay. Can you tell me, Anna, a pair of corresponding angles from this? Any one pair of corresponding angles?
1 and 5.
1 and 5, correct. Okay, another pair, Aldos.
Ma'am, can I say?
Another pair, 1 minute, I'll call.
Ma'am, 4.
Ah.
Ma'am, 4 and 8.
4 and 8, very good, 4 and 8. Then, yes, Smriti, next pair.
Ma'am, 3 and 7 are another pair.
3 and 7 are another pair of corresponding angles. Yes, Sri Lakshmi.
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Yes, correct. They are also a pair of corresponding angles. Okay. Now, Fidel Babu, can you tell me the next pair?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, alternate interior.
No. I'm asking corresponding angles. Another pair of corresponding angles.
Yes, Steve.
Yes,
Steve.
Tiba.
Can
Tiba. See, Fidel, that idea is not clear to you. See, corresponding angles will be on the same side of the transversal as well as on the same side of the two lines also. Okay.
3 and 7.
See, 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are another pair of corresponding angles. Okay. Okay, Fidel, can you tell me? Okay, Steve. Steve, tell me alternate interior angles. Two pairs, a pair of alternate interior angles.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. I have asked Steve to answer.
3 and 5.
3 and
5.
3 and 5.
5.
Okay. 3 and 5. Correct. Now, okay. 1 minute. I'll return. Yes, Devaganga, answer this question. Next one, you can answer. Okay, I'm going to color two angles. You have to tell me what it is. Okay, 2 and 5. What are those angles? Devaganga, what are those angles? 2 and 5? Name the angle. Okay, tell me. Those two angles are called? Seba?
Yes, ma'am. Are you asking the alternate interior angle?
Name of those angles.
Ma'am, alternate interior angle.
Are they alternate? Are they opposite?
Interior angle.
Co-interior angle.
Ma'am, they are
co-interior angle because they are in same.
Unless and otherwise you understand this, you are not able to do the problems. Okay, these two are coming on the same side of the transversal. and they lie between in the interior of the two lines. So we can call them as co-interior angles. Interior angles. Understood? Yes. Geetika, Manoj. Okay. Tell me these angles. What are the names? What is the name you give for these two angles? That is angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3, yeah, and angle 5. Okay.
Opposite interior angles.
Opposite interior or alternate interior angles, isn't it? Yes. Now I'll draw again. It has become totally green. Okay. Now I'll call another person for answering. I want to confirm it whether you have understood this topic. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you to proceed with the problems. Okay. Next is Fidel again. Fidel, now are you able to understand what are these two angles called?
Now corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Then what are these two angles called?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
Same corresponding angles. Then now these two angles.
Ma'am, alternate interior.
My dear, alternate means it will be on opposite side. These are on the
Corresponding angles.
corresponding angle itself. See, Fidel, listen. Try to understand. Listen to the what explanation given. See here, these two again. What are those angles called?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle, because these corresponding angles either they will be on, both will be on top of the line and on the same side of the transversal. Otherwise, both will be at the bottom of the below the line and on the same side of the transversal. Understood, Fidel? So all these angles, angle 1 and angle 2 form a pair of corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 form a pair of corresponding angles. See, they lie on same side of the transversal as well as either upon the line or below the line. Okay, here also you see the next pair 4. Now 5 and 6 are corresponding angles. They lie upon the line and on the same side of the transversal. Then another pair 7 and 8. They both lie under the line. Okay, and they are on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Now let me ask our new person. Maria, are you present? Maria was present. Hello, Maria.
Ma'am, Maria is absent.
I saw her.
Ma'am, Maria is there, but her video is
video, Maria.
Ma'am, I think she can't hear us.
Okay, Maria. I can see she was there.
Ma'am, she is there. Ma'am, she is there, but she is connected.
Okay, you'll see. Yes, Amita, can you tell me the answer of this? Amita, this one.
Yes.
That is name a pair of alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles. Amita. What about Anthony, Vijay? All have switched off their video. All of you switch on the video, children.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question?
Question is, name a pair of alternate interior angles in this.
Ma'am, can Ashwin say? Ma'am, can Ashwin say?
1 minute. I was asking Amita, isn't it? Amita, are you ready to answer or shall I pass the question? Okay, Ashwant.
Ma'am, 3 and 6.
3 and 6, correct. Okay, Ayan Mohammed.
Ma'am,
Next pair.
ma'am, what is the number? Ma'am, what is the number in the side of 6? I didn't understand.
That is 2. 2 I have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Number anything you can
Okay,
write, but the position of the is important. Okay, Ayan, can you tell me another pair of alternate interior angles?
1 and 8.
Alternate Interior.
7 and 2.
Okay, alternate interior. Okay, so they should both should be alternate, that is opposite as well as in the interior. Okay, so 7 and 2, correct. Now, can you tell me co-interior angle, Geetika, Manoj? Co-interior angles in this?
3 and 2.
3 and 2, very good. 3 and 2 are co-interior angles. Now, Nia Nelson, tell me another pair of co-interior angles in this.
Ma'am, 7 and 6.
7 and 6, correct. 7 and 6 are a pair of co-interior angles. So I hope it is clear to you all. Fidel, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it clear? Alternate interior and co-interior, it is clear, no? Only confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will be on the same side of the transversal, and they lie either on the top of the line or both will lie under the line.
Ma'am, can you say alternate angle?
Alternate like this it will go. Opposite. Okay,
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this. These are pairs of alternate interior angles. I'll draw it.
Ma'am, 7 is 2.
Once
Ma'am,
more.
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll tell you the position where they lie. See this. If these two lines are cut by the transversal, alternate interior angles means it will be in the opposite side. Okay, it will come like this only, opposite.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and they lie in the interior of the two
Ma'am,
lines.
it's inside the 2 lines.
Inside the two lines. But if it is co-interior, both alternate interior and co-interior lie only between the lines. It will not go out of the line. Only corresponding angles you can see, they go out of the line. Alternate exterior angles are there, that will be going out of the line. Okay, now this one, we can see what are co-interior angles. See this too. They lie inside the line. Okay, so co-interior angles means they lie on the same side of the transversal and they lie in the interior of the two lines. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, is it?
Ma'am, so is there like co-exterior?
Exterior is there. Co-interior means it is lying interior. Co-exterior we don't take. Okay.
Ma'am, how can we
Yeah.
find the vertically opposite angles?
Okay, vertically opposite angles you can.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll
How can we
explain.
find?
Okay.
Ma'am, in the transversal, we have to find, right?
Yes, sir. Transversal also vertical angles are formed. I'll tell you. What do you mean by actually vertically opposite? See, when any two lines intersect, these are opposite angles, vertically opposite angle. When you
Yes,
look at them, you can understand. See, draw a line like this, it will go like straight line. Understand? They lie opposite. So angle 1 and angle 2 are vertically opposite. Angle 3 and angle 4 are also vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, vertical means straight, right?
Straight. Vertical means not horizontal and vertical. Okay. Horizontal means like this. Vertical means like this.
Ma'am, so we consider 3 and 4 also as vertical opposite.
3 and 4 are vertical angles. 1 and 2 is also vertically opposite angle.
Ma'am, so how can we find it in transversal?
Okay, transversal, just very easy. No confusion in transversal. You draw two lines like this and just transversal is crossing it. Now, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Understand? And this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Like this.
Okay,
So, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, if you are writing, angle 1 and 3 are vertically opposite. Angle 4 and 2 are vertically opposite and they are equal also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is it. Very easy. Vertically opposite angles in the transverse. Clear?
Clear, ma'am, it's clear.
Yeah.
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you give an homework.
Yes. We will discuss all that. Okay. We're going to discuss. We'll discuss.
Third, first
Okay. We can discuss all that. Okay. So I'll take the slide. We can do some problems related to this. Then only I'll pass on to the next topic. Did I complete that two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal and all? That.
Can you say again?
Then
Ma'am, if two parallel lines are intersected by
transversal.
Transversal.
That
Pair of
topic is over.
corresponding angles of
Degree.
yes, ma'am.
We did, isn't it?
Yes.
That also we can.
Interior angles are also equal.
Very good. We can revise that also. Then we can pass on to the problems. Okay. So children, listen here. This was the topic. That is, if the lines, till now we were explaining, any two lines are cut by a transversal, 8 angles are formed. And those 8 angles, in that a pair of corresponding angles are there. Isn't it? How many pairs of corresponding angles are formed?
Four pairs.
4 pairs of corresponding angles can be formed, and alternate interior angles are there, co-interior angles are also there. And now if the lines which are cut by the transversal are parallel lines, okay, if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, there are 2 parallel lines. Now let it be L1 and L2. These 2 lines are cut by another transversal, that is L3. If the 2 lines are parallel, if parallel lines are cut by the transversal, then you can verify. We have seen with the using the protractor, you understood, isn't it? We have measured.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out.
Ma'am, the
All
corresponding
pair
angles are
of-
equal.
corresponding angles, all pairs of corresponding angles are equal in
Equal.
measure. And then what about alternate interior angles? What did we find?
Ma'am, they are also equal.
They are also equal. Very good. They are also equal in measure. What about co-interior angles?
Ma'am, the co-interior angles are, ma'am, they are not
equal. They are what they are?
not equal.
Okay, but then one speciality is there for the co-interior angles. What they will be?
Ma'am,
Linear pair.
They form. They are supplementary, isn't it? Not
Yes,
linear
they
pair.
form
Yes, ma'am.
Don't-
They form 180 degree.
One more minute. They don't. You should not say or this linear pair for every angles who sum up to which sum up to 180 degree. Okay.
Ma'am, if there are 2 angles, then it is only supplementary.
See, it becomes linear. Listen, children, it becomes linear pair only if it is coming like this. That is, 2 arms come straight and the middle arm is like this and it forms like this supplementary. Then we can say it is a linear pair. Otherwise, we can say only they are supplementary.
Supplementary angle.
Ma'am, if there are 2 angles.
Okay. So if 2 lines, parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Okay, if 2 parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, and if they are parallel lines, you see the corresponding angles are equal, then alternate interior angles are equal, and co-interior angles will make
Supplementary angles.
180
Supplementary
degrees.
angles.
Ma'am, so how?
180 degree.
Yes, 180 degrees. Okay, sum up to.
Ma'am, so we can
180.
write co-interior angles make up supplementary angles.
Add up to 180.
Add up
That is it. Co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, there is a reverse rule for this. Can anybody say what is that reverse rule? That is, if any two lines are cut by a transversal, if any two lines are cut by a transversal, and if any pair of
Ma'am, is this the definition of the corresponding angle?
not definition, these are rules. Okay. If any two lines are cut by a
Write it
transversal,
down in your note.
yes, you take down. Okay, if any two lines are cut by a transversal, and if each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Then the lines are parallel. B, if each, that is the reverse of that rules which we have studied. What did we study? If any two
Ma'am,
lines
is
are...
this same that of before we wrote?
No,
like,
no, same thing, but in another way. Okay, that is reverse of it. First, what we studied, if any two lines are, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles formed are equal, isn't it? That's what we studied. Now the reverse,
Yes, ma'am.
what it says is, if any two lines are cut by a transversal and if you see that the corresponding angles are equal, then we can conclude that the lines are parallel. Clear? That is it. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
The reverse of it. So again, another one. Again, you can say if each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, if each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. You need not check all the conditions, at least one set. That is, if alternate interior angles are equal, then you can conclude that the lines are parallel.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, there will be a question asked for this question, right? For this answer, right?
Like this, as it is, it won't be asked. It will be asked through problems. You will be given two
Okay, ma'am.
angles and you'll be asked to conclude whether they are parallel or not. That's it. So you have to understand mathematics. You don't learn by heart. You have to understand what it is. Okay. So if each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Even if it is asked, you can write it in your own language, no? If you understand, that words should come out. That's why you
Ma'am,
read it.
parallel means
2, 3 parallel means you don't know.
I didn't understand the second one, ma'am.
If each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then also we can say that the lines are parallel. That's the meaning.
Ma'am, the lines means the angles
Ma'am,
formed.
B1.
Two lines are cut by it was written in the beginning. No, when two lines are cut by a transversal, any two lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, if we find that the corresponding angles are equal, then we can conclude that these lines are parallel. This is transversal. Understood?
Oh, the lines.
The lines which are cut are parallel.
Okay.
We can conclude that L1 is parallel to L2. That is the rule. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can also say the B1 like if the angles of alternate angles are equal, then the parallel lines it will be parallel.
Not no. What is given is not. There is no condition that they are parallel. It is given any two lines. Okay. If
Ma'am,
any
in the
two
question
lines.
there is a question, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Like that, exercise 5 point.
Yeah, that we will do. We will do. Okay.
Ma'am, in that question, these rules are there.
Yeah. We have to apply these rules. Okay.
Okay.
So we can say that if you can find that these alternate angles are given, suppose like this. If it is given like this, you can say that alternate interior angles are equal in this. So we can say that the lines are parallel. Okay. L1 and L2 are any two lines. It is not given that they are parallel, but it is told that all these two alternate interior angles are 50 degree each. Then you can say that the lines are parallel. That is the meaning of this.
And can we draw the transversal
rule.
in lecture note?
You can draw. Okay. Then third rule, if any two lines are cut by a transversal, see, I have written it only once, children. Every time I cannot write it. That's why the rule is like this. If any two lines are cut by the transversal and you find that the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, then we can say that the lines are parallel. This one I have wrote common for all the three. This line is repeating. Okay, this line. See, this line repeats in the beginning of every rule A, B, and C. Okay, so the rule begins like this. See, if any two lines are cut by a transversal, and if you find that if the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Okay. So if the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, then also we can say that the lines are parallel.
Ma'am, so co-interior angles are parallel or supplementary?
Co-interior angles, if the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, okay, then we can say that the lines are parallel. See, if you are drawing two lines like this, two lines, any two lines are given to you, L1 and L2, and it is cut by a transversal, L3. Now you are given like this. This is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay. And the question is, say whether line L1 is parallel to L2 or not. That is the question. So what you have to see? You have to see that, yes, co-interior angles are given, no? 120 degree and 60 degree. So 120 plus 60, 180. Yes. So co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, isn't it? Co-interior angles add up to 180 degree.
Ma'am, so in which case co-interior angles are supplementary angles?
So add up to 180 means what? It is supplementary, isn't it? Same meaning.
Ma'am, so it would be also parallel both.
Yeah. The co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So here it is adding up to 180, isn't it? 120 plus.
Ma'am, but to be parallel,
180. Okay. So listen, children. If 120 plus 60, it is 180 degrees. So we can say the lines are parallel.
Ma'am, but the angles should be equal, right? To be parallel.
Co-interior. What is the condition of co-interior?
Ma'am, the angles are not equal.
Co-interior angles are not equal. Corresponding angles and alternate interior angles are equal when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, isn't it? And what is the rule of co-interior angles? Co-interior angles add up to 180 degree.
180 degree.
Don't confuse it. Third rule is co-interior angles add up to 180 degree. Okay. So if the question is given like this, easily you can say that the lines are parallel. Why? Co-interior angles add up to 180 degree.
180 degree.
Okay.
How did we get the 120 degree?
120 degree is given in the question. It will be given.
Okay.
Such a simple topic. I can understand why you are asking like this. Very simple topic. I'll explain once more.
Ma'am, I understood, ma'am.
You got that degree.
Yeah, it is very easy topic. I'll explain. If I write, it will be difficult for you. If I explain with figure, it will be easy for you. See, the first three rules, whatever we studied was like this. If two lines are cut by a transversal, so corresponding angles are all equal. Then alternate interior angles are equal. And then co-interior angles sum up to 180 degree. That was the rule which we studied. And now we are studying the reverse of it. Okay, reverse of it. In that, what we study is, if the corresponding angles are given like this. In this figure, it is told that the L1 and L2 are two lines, and the angles formed are 120 and 120 as given in the figure. conclude whether line L1 is parallel to L2 or not. What will you say? Check whether the lines are parallel. What is your answer?
Ma'am, the angles are equal, so parallel. It's parallel, ma'am. The lines
Why?
are parallel.
Why?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because the angles are equal.
Pair of corresponding angles are equal. So I can say that the lines are parallel. Now, another condition. Here it is given 60 degree and here it is given 60 degree. And you are asked to find whether the lines are parallel or not. What will
Ma'am,
you do?
they are parallel because
Why?
the angles alternate interior angles are equal.
Alternate interior angles are equal. That itself is the second condition. Second rule which we have studied. If alternate, first rule we studied, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. In the second rule what we study is, if alternate interior angles are equal, the lines are parallel.
Parallel.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
That's just the reverse of it. Okay, nothing else. Now
Ma'am,
again,
so
can you conclude that these two angles are given, other angles are not there? Only these two angles, children. That is just to see this, I'll mark it. These two angles are given and you are asked to confirm whether the lines are parallel. What will you do?
ma'am, they are parallel because
Ma'am, they are
Why?
parallel
they make up
because
to
they are
180
co-interior angle.
Their co-interior angles are adding up to
And they are 280
180
degree.
degree.
And they are
180
280 degree.
So we can say that the lines are parallel. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
so it
ma'am.
becomes parallel and supplementary angles.
Don't, the question is only for whether the lines are parallel or not. You
Parallel.
need not specify about the angle. That is the
Okay.
reason. You can conclude that line L1 is parallel to line L2. What is the reason? Co-interior angles
Because
are
co-interior
supplementary.
angles.
Okay, that
Okay,
is
ma'am.
it. That is it. So I wanted to ask you whether all of you have understood this, children? Hello?
Yes.
Others?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about Abhyuday George? Did you understand? Can you tell me the first rule? First,
Can you hear
first.
me?
Yes. First rule.
Ma'am, if each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel.
Okay. Then second one. Okay. Then Vinayak Aryan. Can you tell me the second condition?
If each pair of corresponding angles are equal,
That he told. Second condition. Second condition. After that, what are the next pair of angles? Vinayak,
Can I read the?
Ashram.
Can I read?
Ashram, tell me. What is the next
Ma'am?
next pair of angles?
And if
Ah,
any,
don't read. You tell me what it is. What is the next pair of angles and what is the next condition? Okay, Geetika.
Each pair of alternate angles are
yes.
equal, then the lines are parallel.
Yes, if each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay, Asna, what is the third condition?
If the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, there the lines are
Then the lines are parallel. If the co-interior angles make 180 degree, then also we can say that the lines are parallel. These are the three rules. Okay, first set is just the opposite of this, the reverse of it. Same meaning. Same
Ma'am,
meaning.
means it is
Okay.
the continuation.
Continuation. Just the same thing, it is expressed in another way. That is the reverse of it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next class we can continue, children. So thank you
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Join fast.